Okay guys, this morning I'm going to show you also some file management. I'm going to require you to at least set up. I can't be looking over your shoulder and make sure you lose it. But file management is one of the things that saves you a massive amount of time and keeps you from losing your work. So you have a clean new machine, set it up right from the beginning, get in the habit of using it, and you won't lose stuff. You'll be able to find it quickly, you will save time and your grades because you won't do the thing of doing a bunch of work and then not being able to turn it in because you can't find it. So always put it in the right place. It's like starting with a brand new clean room and never forgetting to put your clothes away. So that's what we're going to start you with. So what I'm going to have you do for your class, and this will be, class specific, obviously. So do whatever you want to create a folder. If you want to create a bigger folder structure like classes and use it for all your classes, great. But we're going to focus at my class level on down. So you just right click, go new folder. Okay, there it is. And I'm going to name it Foundations. Okay, but then inside of it, rather than having a big mess of everything, I'm going to go in there and create more folders. Okay. I'm going to create a projects folder. I messed up. I didn't get the S on there. I want to get the S on there. So I just click on the name and it lets me rename it. Inside the projects folder, I'm going to create two different folders. Okay. One is going to be Photoshop. And the other is going to be Premiere. Okay. As the semester goes on, I will add some things to your folder. And we are going to actually create another folder that says Premiere Projects. Once again, made a mistake. Hover, click on the name, and I can go in and edit that name. Go inside of here, and you'll learn more about these later. I'm going to create, in this case, I'll always create a new folder for a new project. Okay, so we'll just call it Project 1 so I can example it. Okay. And go in. And we're going to create an assets folder. So this will, well, I'll explain it more. Just today it's about creating the folders, and we will organize it into clips, audio, and we'll say graphics / pics. Okay, so now what I want to show you, we go back all the way out. In my foundations folder, I can look at this whole structure here. And today, now I know where everything is. Once I have 20 different projects, it'll keep this stuff tidy. That'll help me create my files quickly. But for today, this is what I'm going to have you screenshot. This structure, you're going to recreate it on your computer and screenshot it and upload it for me. That's going to be your other assignment. But I wanted to show you one more thing, because file management, a lot of times I'm making you do it up front, but a lot of times we don't do it up front. So I want to show you a cool trick that you've done some work and you go to save it and you want to create your file structure then. So if I go to File, in this case I'm going to go to Export rather than just quick export as PNG, and it takes me here. Okay, I can go to let's see, I am in my Downloads folder. Okay, and I can create my folder structure here. Now I am going to use the existing structure, and I am just going to add to it. So I'm in Photoshop. I'm in the Photoshop folder. I'm going to add a new folder right now that says QR code or QR codes. Okay. And create. Then I can save that as, I think it's I can't remember what QR code it is. I think it's my YouTube. Okay. So I'm just going to save it as that as an example. And then I have maintained my file structure. Even though I didn't have it set up, I can create it from inside the program where I'm saving, just by creating a new folder while I work. Easy to fix that if you've forgotten to do it up front. You can still maintain it, and it will save you massive amounts of time and frustration over the course of the semester.